Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly.
Ooh.
So then
do you think we can do with a new kitchen set, or did you splurge on the kitchen
area?
I splurged on the kitchen. We're basically out of the duelist game.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I think my bed's
still
good
got
enough.
My acquired money.
Yeah.
Why did they?
So
Okay.
we should be able to get you some nice things for your bedroom, and then, you know, maybe
Is this
a holiday. You know.
nature area? I think.
I've heard Cape Verde's nice this time of year.
Yeah, I think so. I've never been there, so.
It's a beautiful place.
I'll believe you.
I need
think the
new
bedroom areas are
oven.
over there.
And
Okay, let's go
new
take a look.
carpet. Okay. Okay.
Ooh, some bunk beds.
Ooh, bunk
Alan?
beds.
Harvey? Is that you?
Huh?
Okay.
Hey, it's Robbie. How you been?
Who are
Hi, I've been good.
you? You look familiar.
He was on the island.
Oh,
Yes,
right. I think this is the first.
we dueled first time.
I think this is the dude I do the words.
The dude you dueled.
The
No, not
first
you.
time
There it is.
in the cave that I
This
also
card, I
dueled you
think,
in.
will remind you of me.
Oh.
Evil plants.
Oh yeah, starving venom.
Yes. Evil plants.
You hush. What?
Who are you telling to hush? What? You can't tell Alan here to hush.
No, hi, sorry, not you. I was just talking to myself.
Who's Hyro? You keep
Oh,
us
that's
a-
the username that the dude who you stole the locator card had.
Oh right. Yeah, admittedly I forgot about that.
Yeah. Why are you telling us to hush?
Not you. It's a long story, okay?
Do you also have voices in your head that aren't technically in your head?
What voice? Wait, what?
I mean, I have some installed in my head. I have some installed in my head,
Discard.
as well as Raviel in my head.
Is this related to all these gods that have been showing up lately?
I guess.
Wait, what?
There's only
what?
one god I believe in.
Wait, what? Wait, you have a god?
Yeah, the
no,
American tax system.
So you have a god.
I mean, yeah, the American tax system. That's my god.
Okay.
Oh, are you talking about Raviel? Raviel?
Yeah.
Raviel, not Raviel.
Wow.
Yeah, you have Raphael, and then Seth Million has a giant chicken that's a ball.
That's also
You
a
sure?
ball, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
and
wait.
then Raphael also has a ball.
Yeah, we can check that later,
Another
okay? Yeah.
Yeah, he has this
Try that.
giant black orb. I don't know. He
What
was
is-
actually.
What's with the god
wait,
cards
a
being-
black orb?
being orbs.
Yeah, it was weird.
Oh. So what are you guys doing here anyway?
Well, we're getting my room situated.
Hmm.
Also, Raviel keeps on telling me to steal more money.
Wait, what?
I think Raviel just wants to cause chaos, which I can understand.
Well, the name of, okay, no offense, but the name of Raviel or something? Is that how you say it? Raviel?
Raviel is the Lord of Phantasms. What
Yeah,
holiness
that
is
dude sounds
that?
evil.
Raviel is
sounds
the Lord.
spoopy.
Yeah, Raviel is the Lord of all fiends. The king of fiends, if you will.
Okay. I guess I could say what has happened when the day when we got our pendulums from Pegasus, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, well, that's happened to me. I guess after that.
Wait, you guys got y'all's pendulums for Mr. Flying Horseman?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
gave me the Sonic Venom as well.
I mentioned he took us back to the island and then brought us back.
Yeah, you told me that. You didn't tell me that you
Surprise?
got pendulums from him.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. I got a new Sonic Venom. That's a pendulum monster now.
What?
Yep.
So you got more evil plants. Okay.
I also run a zombie deck now, but I've been more focused on the plant deck because of a certain something.
I want to say more evil, but then I remember I run fiends. But still
actually,
evil plants.
I think about it. When was the last time we dueled?
Duelist Kingdom, like the first week we were there.
Just as long as me and you then.
Yeah.
I wonder.
He was my first.
Ow. Ow.
Do I have reach? Can I touch the skies?
I think you're the Force.
I was wondering if I could touch the skies.
Down.
If I could
No, you
Team-
cannot kill.
If I could join Team Sky.
No. You
Yeah.
can't.
Oh yeah, have you seen the prequels?
Of what?
Star Wars.
Oh, fire.
You mean Star Trek?
Okay, when we get back, I'm showing you all of Star Wars.
mean, I've watched Star
Anyways,
Trek. I don't know what Star
since we
Wars
haven't been
is.
doing it in a while, Alan, how about a little game since it's been so long?
I mean, we could play some checkers, maybe some chess.
YuGiOh.
I think I might have some.
You could have a race.
That's true.
No, I meant a children's
what's the
card game, my
Japanese
dude.
chess called?
Oh,
Shogi.
you could play Bull. Bull's a fun game. Or 21.
Yeah, we could also play shogi.
I meant YuGiOh.
What's Yu-Gi-Oh?
Duel monsters.
We play Card Fight Vanguard here.
Oh, what?
I mean, I also play Pokemon.
Okay, do you want to duel or not, Alan?
Yes. Was that not
Okay.
obvious? Like every time he
Actually, but I think
every time he stated Yu-Gi-Oh or Duel Monsters, I got confused.
Alan, do
Tell him you want to
you
duel him.
Yeah, just tell me what you
Wait,
if
no,
you want to duel
where
me.
is it? Not that, not that, not that. Where is the? There it is. Do you have one of these by any chance?
I've
So, here you go, and here you go.
Not that.
Duel.
I've got like one, maybe two. Admittedly, I think some
You
of these
I'm not
cards
gonna
are
do that
stuck
kind of
together.
duel, dude. Shh. Why did you give me a chicken sword?
So you can duel.
Yeah, duel. What do you expect?
Should I just go? Cause I don't think you're getting what I'm trying to say
You
here.
mean dueling with card games?
You should have really
Yes.
specified.
Yeah, you gotta be specific.
I
man.
tried to specify it.
Here's your chicken sword back.
Oh, thank
I
you,
don't
thank you.
want to.
Let me put this back in the collection.
How many do you? Okay.
Yeah, you gotta
Anyways.
be more specific, man. It's the 21st century. Nearly what? It's the 21st century. There's more than just one kind of card game, man.
Yeah. You got spells and sorcery. You got One Piece D&D. You got One Piece the card game. You got Yu-Gi-Oh. You've got Pokemon. You got Magic the Gathering.
Why?
You got
What do you
spells and
think I was-
sorcery.
What do you think I was
What?
talking? What do you think I was trying to talk about? What I was talking about when I mentioned the locator card.
I mean, I thought you were just asking if I had a locator card.
A duel.
You can win them other ways.
Yeah, you can win them other ways. Betting,
That's how the rules work.
stealing.
Yeah. You can play Russian roulette for them.
Mm-hmm.
You used to play that.
You don't?
I don't gamble.
I play American roulette.
Okay, I just found out you just gambled, and I just found out this place has a nature area.
Ooh, nice.
Well, yeah, there's Botanical Garden.
What's the difference between Russian roulette and American roulette?
Oh, well, one of them you are free to shoot anyone. The other one you have to shoot yourself.
I thought it had something to do with
Yeah.
healthcare.
Oh, wait, Russian roulette.
I think
yeah, that
American
game.
roulette you have to pay for healthcare, and Russian roulette you.
Wait, is there
But
like
with
a
American roulette, you also each have your own gun
That is
that you then shoot the person next to you instead of yourself.
Isn't that just kind of the same thing?
No, Russian
No.
roulette only has one gun.
Yeah.
Okay.
One gun, one bullet. American roulette has however many guns, however many bullets.
Okay.
Including
Anyways,
the
we're getting
stipulation
kind
that
of
you pay for
sidetracked.
healthcare.
You ready?
Oh yeah. Let's find a place to duel.
Right here. This is big enough for the holograms, I guess.
Okay.
Well, this duel's gonna be wicked.
There's no. I'm much stronger last time we dueled. So
I
this
mean,
will be fun.
you beat me the last time we dueled, but it's been also a while since last time we dueled. I've also
Yeah.
gotten stronger last time we dueled. I think you'll be surprised on what deck I'm running.
Oh, now I'm excited. Then let us duel.
Let's duel!
If you don't mind, I'll be taking the first move.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, hello.
I set one monster and end my turn.
Okay.
Okay, my draw. Okay.
Mhm.
What to do?
Sally didn't start with you in my hand.
I shall normal summon out Leading Lady
Okay.
and equip to it the Cursed Bamboo Sword.
Bamboo swords than just the original.
Oh, well, that kind of makes sense. You have bamboo swords because you are, no offense, swords.
But why does it make sense?
Because, well, do you want a reason?
Just say it.
Are you being animalist? Speciesist?
No, okay, look, it is because you're a panda. What?
Are you assuming his species, Robbie?
No. He's a panda.
Anyways, I'll have Leading Lady destroy your face down.
That's not gonna do nothing.
Ow. Well, Leading Lady's effect activates, targeting your Biblisp, and you would lose attack points, but it does not have attack points.
Yeah, and then I draw. You know what? Let's bring out an old friend. I'm going to spin. With this effect, they give you a credit counter.
Okay, ow.
Alright.
Now, since you have a credit counter, I can sacrifice a monster.
Oh, come on!
This guy.
Come on!
Wow.
Well, the effect of Cursed Bamboo Sword activates. I get to add to my hand, let it be the Golden Bamboo Sword.
Perfect.
Okay.
What can I sort out? Nothing yet. No. No, spin. Go attack him directly.
Ow.
No, bank. Go attack him directly as well.
Ow.
Okay.
I'll
You
do my
got
turn
this.
here.
Oh. Well, what do you know? Anyways, I have to spend some money to make some money, so I'll set to the scale Abyss Actor Mellow Madonna
Okay.
Okay.
and pay 1,000 life points to add one Abyss Actor card from my deck to my hand.
Oh, that's
Interesting. Which one you gonna add?
I'll set to the scale Abyss Actor. I'll add to my hand Abyss Actor Curtain Riser.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be. You already have so many already.
This actors were one of the first, actual archetypes released publicly.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
an actor circus dude gave them to me while I was traveling.
Okay. That's I guess, shocker.
Anyways, I shall set to the scale my Curtain Riser.
That means you sell monsters from more than 6, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, true. But, I'm gonna do this instead. Because I control no other monsters, I can special summon Curtain Riser straight from my Pendulum Zone.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
As a 22,000 monster.
Okay.
I now equip to Curtain Riser the Broken Bamboo Sword.
And there's another bamboo sword.
And you already know the card in my hand. Activate Golden Bamboo Sword. As long as I have a Bamboo Sword on the field when I activate Bamboo Sword, Golden Bamboo Sword, I can get to draw 2 cards.
Okay.
Alright.
I now normal summon Abyss Actors Extras and tribute it. Setting to the scales. Abyss Actor. Wild Hope.
Okay, so you can sell level 1 monsters. Congrats.
I mean, yeah, true. But, I'll leave the surprise to you. I'll have Curtain Riser attack your, Spinodonia.
Okay. That will hurt it, but I get this effect. Whenever he's in battle, I can push summon any card play I want from my deck. And I do Scorpio as your choice. Now I get his effect, takes 4 away. To summon out... What? I do not know here. I guess I'm for more defensive purple and do not know how to say his name.
Okay.
I think that's like an actual plan there.
I'll end my turn and pass it back to you.
I'll draw. Oh, you know what? Probably... I think someone here will get what I'm trying to say here. A little reset on the field. I tune Predator playing Blank and Bislip. Secret Summon Blackwood Dragon.
Oh.
That means effect. Destroy everything on the field.
Oh, come on.
So Bislip will go in the end, and then I put a Blank to my hand. This guy.
Ow. Well, on destruction, Wild Hope effect activates.
Okay.
I can add it to my hand. One Abyss Actor, or one Abyss Actor's card.
Alright.
Okay.
I'll add to my hand Abyss Actor's Backstage.
Okay.
Ooh. I wonder how they... Well, it's still my turn, actually. Oh, I forgot.
What you
I
gonna do?
found out Modifier Blossom uses effect. Destroy itself. To summon out any plant type monster I want from the deck. That's
So what
gonna
are you gonna
be...
choose?
I might keep defending son of this... With grips. This slip.
Okay.
I can't remember. And my turn here.
Okay, my draw. Well, hello, Sailor. I normal summon out Extras.
Again?
I just got the draw. I now tribute it.
Like,
To set to the scale, Abyss Actor Leading Lady.
Scale 2, okay.
I was now set a card face down and set the other scale, Abyss Actor Twinkle Little Star.
Oh no.
I can special summon 2 to 9. Pendulum Shokan.
so?
It's 1 to 8.
No.
What is it?
3 to 8.
Oh.
I special summon Wild Hope,
And they're all...
Curtain Riser,
That's fun.
Mellow Madonna,
There'll still be 1 in the extra deck.
Superstar,
3 in the extra deck.
and Leading Lady.
Yeah.
Great.
I now activate Wild Hope's effect. He gains 100 attack points for every face-up attack position Abyss Actor card I have on the field.
Is there anything I can do, Ethan?
I now activate Curtain Riser's effect. I send to the graveyard Abyss Actor, Abyss Script, Fire Dragon's Lair.
Okay.
And add back to my hand Abyss Actor's Extra.
Interesting.
I'll now activate Superstar's effect.
And there's what?
Setting to my field one Abyss Script card. Let that be my opening ceremony.
Okay, you gain 25.
Wait, what?
I now play it. I gain 500 life points for every face-up Abyss Actor card I have on the field.
So there goes all that work I did.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Now I battle.
No.
I'll have Mellow Madonna destroy your Biblist.
Oh, there he goes. Well, I can at least take my deck for another prayer plant. That's gonna be another Pendulum monster.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, it's not game just yet.
Yeah, no. I'll have Leading Lady attack you directly.
Ow.
I'll have Curtain Riser attack you directly.
Alright, that hurts.
And I'll have Wild Hope attack you directly.
I'm taking a lot of damage here.
And with that, I'll end my turn.
Okay, come on, something good.
Kill him, Robbie.
Huh. I sent him to the Cobra using the effect.
Right?
Okay. Well, I'll activate my my back row card, Abyss Actor's Backstage. If I got 2 Abyss Actor cards in my Pendulum Zone, I can add 2 other Abyss Actor cards from my deck to my extra deck.
Okay.
Let that be my Evil Heal and my other Mellow Madonna.
Oh. Okay. Well, I can still special summon out my Fly Trap. The Fly Trap will be nice enough to give Superstar a counter. Now with scales like scale 0 and scale 8, I'll set the pendulum scale.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Pendulum summon my wizard.
Oh, I know what's gonna happen. Oh, come on.
Now I can use the effect to fusion summon the monsters on your field or on my field.
Great.
I could summon you, but
I've hit a dragon.
I mean, I don't think they
I
can.
choose to fuse this, you, and you.
Oh, come on. Superstar never gets to stay on the stage for long. And what?
What is that?
What?
Super bad plant. Super bad plant.
Can I play triple overturn? You down with this, Harvy.
I did?
Yes, you destroyed it.
I did?
I used Boss Effect. Now I'm gonna fusion summon once again.
Again?
With that thing I'm still lost?
I choose to fuse the 2 monsters in my pendulum zones.
What?
So you seem greedy and starving, but have you met Darwin Vanamy Dragon?
Oh my.
I have so many questions.
Bad plants. Bad plants.
What is that other thing? How did you use fusion using your pendulum zones? What?
Like, I get special summoning via Pendulum Zone. Curtain Riser does that all the time.
And back to the graveyard. I mean, deck check. What? Is that this guy with my hand?
What?
Unless he plays 3 player counters on 3 of your monsters.
Oh, come on! Oh my god!
Oh.
Alan, we may want to run.
Yeah!
Who's shouting your Cheerios?
Well, at least there is a fact from the graveyard. I finished copy claimed something back as a level 2 tuner.
I'm...
Oh, so I could see with someone.
What?
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 This is really shocking.
Yes.
Peace?
I used my monster's effect, by the way.
Ow? Ow.
That happens.
Peace? Peace? With one more turn? Peace?
You want a messenger?
One turn, please? Peace?
Okay, I can sound like I can do that.
Ow.
Also, that has activates.
What?
But, yeah, this happens, whatever I'm doing.
Well, leading lady, the pendulum leading lady's effect activates. I shall decrease, your Venomy Dragon by the damage I took.
Buddy, you wanna look at your medal?
Yeah, and, on destruction of the leading lady on my field, I get to set to the field my Abyss-tainment.
Right, okay. I won't kill her yet.
Be careful about summoning any hour.
Yeah,
Attack.
ow!
You have a single summon hour.
I have a single summon.
From the hand. Extra deck should be fine.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, flashback would definitely not be good.
I'll, you know what? I shall, okay, yeah, no, I've got that. I shall activate Curtain Riser's effect. I shall send to the graveyard, one Rise of the Abyss King,
Okay.
and add to my hand, Evil Heal from my extra deck.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
I shall now play my face down Abyss script Abyss-tainment and tribute my level 1 Curtain Riser to add to set to the field my Abyss script Opening Ceremony.
Oh.
Okay.
And I shall tribute once more with Abyss-tainment my level 1 Wild Hope to set to the field my Rise of the Abyss King.
Oh, that is not the critical.
I now Pendulum Shokan! My Evil Heal, my Wild Hope, my Melobadonna, my Leading Lady, and my Superstar. And this is all counted as one special summon.
Huh. Oh, yeah, clean drawings. I forgot about her. But I'm sorry, guys. Hey, you gotta say goodbye to some of your monsters.
What?
My current plan has an effect. I roll like,
What? Okay. Okay, I guess it's because all the others were from the extra deck?
Now that's rude.
Okay, well, on summon of Evil Heal, I get to target your one monster on the field, and you lose 1,000 attack for each Abyss Actor monster I have on the field.
you lose on your early net, Harvy.
Now, on destruction of Wild Hope, his effect activates, allowing me to add to my hand one Abyss Actor card. Let that be my Abyss Actor's Curtain Call.
Okay.
Also, why would you do that? He's a nice call.
Can you use your set draft?
Yeah, I can use my set cards. I activate Opening Ceremony. I gain 500 life points. Not a lot.
It's another summon.
Yeah. I'll have a Rise of the Abyss King to activate, and I shall destroy your Trifo Overtum.
I feel like I'm trying to get rid of Queen of Thorns, to be honest.
Harv, why am I going back-to-back nerve-wracking duels?
I don't know. Let's
Queen of Thorns is very much fun.
against me.
Okay, okay,
You having fun?
okay,
No.
okay. Evil Heal? Attack Starving Venomy Dragon.
That's damn cute.
When Evil Heals destroys a monster by battle, its effect activates, allowing me to set to the field one Abyss script card. Let that be my Rise of the Abyss King.
Before that happens, sorry that any has an effect. Whenever you destroy, I can place it in the pendulum zone.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Alan?
Yeah?
That's not a once per turn.
Yeah, I know. I know. I activate Rise of the Abyss King once more. I shall destroy your starving Venomy Dragon.
It's not necessary.
Yes.
It was very necessary.
You don't even know what it does yet, Colby.
I don't care.
It's a starving battle. We don't like it.
They're bad plants.
No, no,
You know what? You guys want to know something very bad about this?
what?
Because only made these cards for me.
Good for you. We don't care.
I sound equipment Thorns. Can I use this card? Oh wait, can I? I summon my critical counter. And use it effect. I can use it with a monster in my pendulum zone.
Oh, right. Right.
And I think Harvy remembers this one. An improvement of starting Venom.
Venomy Dragon wasn't just that?
Venom.
What? What?
Why does this monster effect? Giving your monster credit counter.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's a secret credit counter. This card activates. I can kill the final attack.
Oh, great. That's just great.
What?
Please, Venom, do us a big favor and destroy his heal.
Okay. I'll activate Leading Lady's effect. And instead of decreasing your attack points, I shall recover an Abyss Actor monster. I add to my hand Abyss Actor's Extra.
You can't normal summon though.
You are forced to special summon, and even know what happens if you do it from the extra deck.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
You can't do anything from your hand.
Well, you can special summon from the hand.
I can still
You can't.
pendulum. I can still pendulum summon.
Oh.
Not
Yeah.
from the hand.
Or the extra deck.
No, I just pay 1,000 life points. But
You don't have 1,000.
oh, right.
You say I got you in a little rock.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, right. Right. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't summon from the hand without paying 1,000 life points. And,
For the extra deck, you'll negate and destroy.
yeah. Okay. I think I have an idea.
I'll do you a favor. I'll let you choose one monster in the pendulum in your extra deck to bring back. Only one.
I think I have an idea.
I do too.
Um,
I think we may be thinking the same idea. If he's honest about what, if he lets you bring back one,
you're being honest about me being able to bring back one, right?
Yes, I'm gonna have favor a monster.
Okay, there's only one monster in my extra deck that I want to bring back that can actually be of some use to me.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so much fun. I'm enjoying this.
It's
Um,
not fun.
I shall pendulum summon.
You have 2 ways you can get around Queen of Thorns here.
Yeah.
It's easy. You can destroy a monster with 1800 defense.
Well, no. I was thinking that still lets you bring up a monster in the main phase 1.
Okay.
I shall special summon.
I hope you're not traumatized seeing my other plan back.
I pendulum summon Evil Heal.
Yes.
Okay.
On summon of Evil Heal, I target your Greedy Venom Fusion Dragon and make it lose 1,000 attack points.
Also, I said one monster because I couldn't use this because of the monsters, not monster.
Oh.
No, it can do 1.
No, it's only monsters. Sweet.
No, the S is in brackets thingy, it can do 1.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then why didn't you go on?
Okay.
Oh, that's weird. Okay.
I shall set a monster face down.
Okay. You can use your continuous spell.
It's a tribute to an Abyss actor. The face down doesn't count as an Abyss actor, I think.
Yeah. Great.
I still have Evil Heal.
Okay. Well, you know which one you should probably destroy.
Well, it's kind of a trick question. The Queen of Thorns is greedy because you know what greedy does, right?
I can sort of get around Greedy. I can't. I can sort of get around Queen of Thorns as long as I don't normal or special summon from the hand.
If you destroy Queen of Thorns, I can probably win this duel with greedy venom.
I can't destroy Triffy because of its same defense points as my attack points, so I have to target Greedy Venom.
It's the only one that doesn't.
Okay.
Okay.
If it's destroyed, everything goes down with it.
What?
Actually, that might be good.
Okay. On destruction of opponent's monster, Evil Heal's effect activates. Setting to my field,
Go with Rise.
Yeah, I won't have the necessary monsters to gain life points. Ow. Okay. Wait, what? What?
Okay. But I want. You can normal summon. Oh no, you can't reset.
What would I even be able to normal summon anyways?
Anything.
Okay.
Normal summon, then you would use Rise to destroy the greedy, but because you set earlier, you can't.
I guess you're right. I could have. Oh, right. Well,
Yeah.
Oh dear. I did not expect. If I had known Greedy Venom Future Dragon's effect, I would have done so, but I didn't.
Yeah. This is being a duel.
Greedy Venom, give him a farewell.
Mirror Force.
Ow!
Ah,
Nearly
there
had
we
you
are.
there.
Wow.
Nearly had you there.
Yeah, you made like 800, I think.
Yeah. Well, I nearly had you. I nearly made a comeback, and then I did not know Greedy Venom Fusion Dragon can just nuke the board and then revive itself.
I
Well,
really
it
wish
is-
we knew that before.
Technically, it is a new card. Kinda.
Well, I guess I gotta give you this locator card.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Also a card from your deck.
I mean, I guess, yeah, though weirdly enough, in all the duels I've done, I have never taken or given I think outside of maybe my duel with the Dawn, maybe I gave him a card. or maybe I gave him money. I can't remember. But
Anyway.
I think
wait,
I think I gave him a card that I didn't even that technically wasn't even mine. Oh wait, no, I did take one card. It was that for my first.
Okay.
I think he gave me a Red Eyes card. I think.
Okay.
And then I gave that card to the Dawn because I couldn't use it.
Anyway, Robbie, what card are you even gonna take? None of Alan's cards work with your deck.
I
I
Like,
mean,
you don't have any
DDD
plants
I
or
mean,
zombies.
Let me think.
I mean, he could get DDD
Oh,
Supreme
yeah,
King
I can-
Kaiser. It's not like I use.
I
that
do
too
run
much.
zombies. What do you expect? Did you forget I have a zombie deck?
No. I said he don't run plants or zombies.
Oh. Well, let me think.
I mean, I do
Maybe-
have one zombie.
Oh wait, I
Wait.
do know one card I want.
I mean, I do run one zombie.
Alan.
It was back in it was in Duelist Kingdom. I think you faced it once. It's Wallow.
I
Oh,
don't
that's
remember.
perfect. Give it.
Wait, what?
Give me Wallow. That's the card I
You
want.
want to wallow in your own misery?
No, I want the Exceeds Wallow monster card.
You want Wallow, founder of
Yes.
the Judge Dragons.
Yes,
Out of
we do.
any one of my cards, you could have taken Supreme King Dark Rebellion Dragon. You could have taken Antithlon Dragon. You could have taken
Nah.
DDD Supreme King Kaiser. You could have taken.
You could take
any,
a god card.
I mean,
No.
you could have taken
I
any
have
card.
one, but let me say it one more time. We want Wallow, Alan.
The hell do you mean we? It's just you, Robbie.
Oh no. We want it.
Hey, Alan.
And, yeah.
There's a sidebar real quick. Sidebar.
Hey, what? Hey.
You remember how I said that Alfie was weird last time I saw him, and he had some weird like orb?
Yeah.
It kind of looked similar to that thing. I think it was called the Wicked Avatar.
Okay.
Hey, what's that card's name?
The Wicked Eraser.
And what would happen if I don't give you Wallow?
I will take your memories away. Wicked Eraser gives me the ability to wipe your memories, so hand it over. If you don't, goodbye, memories.
Fine.
Your choice. Thank you. Now, I think I'll be seeing you again, Harvey, so you can get back.
Why do you
that
think you'll be
other-
seeing me?
Don't you want that Xyz back?
No, I'll get it back after the tournament's over.
Wait, you're not in the tournament anymore?
No, I got knocked out by Alfia.
Avatar, why did you? Okay. That's disappointing.
Robert, leave before I do something.
Gladly. Try me, dumb panda.
You want the chicken swords?
No, it's fine.
That was fun, Eraser. I can't wait to get
Let's
some
get you a
more
new
fun.
Let's go back home.
Okay, we can order you a bed on eBay.